guys, happy Monday, and today we are going to start fractions. We did a little bit of fractions before school let out, but we're going to continue it now. So what I really need you to do is grab a whiteboard and a marker if you have one. If not, grab a piece of paper and a pencil. So what I want you to do is draw a square. Everybody can draw a square, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. Now I want you to split it in half. Think of this like a brownie. I want you to split it so both you and your brother or sister can have a piece. So it should look something like this, right? In half. Now I want you to only eat 1/2. So I want you to shade in 1/2. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We don't want to waste everything. So 1/2 I shaded, right? How much is there? Can you create a fraction? So if only one side is shaded, I write 1 over how many pieces I have all together? 1, 2. Half. Now, what I want you to do is erase that. Or move on to a new piece of paper or scooch over, whatever you need to do. Now I want you to draw a square again. And I want you to split it into 4 pieces. Think, how could you split it evenly? There might be different ways. Split it into 4 pieces. So you could have this done 2 ways. You could either have this or you can have this. Either way, you are right. But I want you to shade 2 pieces, and I want you to write the fraction of whichever you have. So shade 2 boxes, 2 pieces, and I want you to write the fraction. So it's how many pieces you shaded over how many pieces you have all together. So how many pieces you shaded goes on top, and then how many pieces you have all together. So you're going to count the ones that aren't colored, and you're going to count the ones that are colored. So I did my top one. So I'm going to count how many pieces are shaded. 1, 2, and then I'm going to count how many aren't shaded all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you did it like this, you should still get the same answer. So I'm going to count how many that are shaded. 1, 2. And then I'm going to write how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? All right, erase that. Now I want you to draw a triangle, and I want you to make 1/2 of the triangle shaded. So I want you to draw a triangle, and I want you to make this fraction. So you're going to color 1 piece, but I want 2 pieces all together. So draw a triangle, and I want 1/2 of it shaded. 1/2. So I want to split it down the middle. Do I have 1/2 shaded yet? Do I have any pieces colored? I need to color 1 piece. Now I have 1/2 of it shaded. So 1 piece is shaded out of 2 pieces all together. Good job. All right, you can erase that. I'm sorry if I'm going really fast. I hope I'm not. All right, now I want you to draw me a big rectangle. So draw a big rectangle. And I want you to show me this fraction. So think about how many pieces you need all together. That's your bottom number. So you're going to need 4 pieces. You need 4 pieces in your rectangle. And then you're going to color 2 of them. So you know you're going to have a big rectangle. And you need 4 pieces. And then you're going to color 2 of them. There's lots of different ways you can do this, but so it should look something like this. 2 pieces are shaded with 4 all together, right? Should look something like that. It might be easier once we get to the worksheet. So why don't we get that? Grab your worksheet that you have today, and we're going to do that together. So for your worksheet, you are going to need your worksheet, obviously, a pencil and some crayons because it asks you to do some coloring. So it should look something like this. This should be your worksheet. The directions say, divide each shape into the total number of parts. Color the correct fraction. So we're going to look at the first one. It says divide into 2 equal parts. So I want to divide it into 2 equal parts. There we go. If you split it this way, that is fine. It's still the same thing. Now it says color 1/2 red. So I want 1 out of 2 pieces red. So I have my red marker. We don't normally color with marker though, right? Marker's all you have, like Miss Oman. That's okay. So this is what it should look like. Divide into 2 equal parts. Color 1/2 red. All right. Number 2, the second one says, divide into 3 equal parts. Remember, we want them to look the same. So it should be 3 equal parts. They should be about the same size. So that's what it should look like. If your square looks like this, if it looks like that, that's okay too. That's not a big deal. It's the same thing. So you can have either one. And then it says color 2 out of the 3 green. So you need to find your green color and color 2 of your boxes. This one. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. I'm going a little faster than you. It's okay. So it should look like that. What I want you to do is I want you to try to do the rest of it by yourself. You can do it. If you're struggling, ask an adult for help or see me on Zoom. I'd be happy to help you. Good luck, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.